How to fix Messenger last seen not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the bottom right, click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Active Status. After you click on Active Status, you'll find Show when you're active. Make sure it's turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, go back from here and hold on to the Messenger app on your home screen and click on App Info at the top. Then click on Storage and Cache. In Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. After you've done that, see if it works. If it still does not work, what you can do is open Play Store and search Messenger. And if there is update option instead of open, update your app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. And this is how to fix Messenger last seen not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.